Hey guys, what's up? This is Rahul from V4AI. As I'm creating videos on SQL queries, so many of you guys are asking about installation of SQL Server. Uh, so I'm just creating a simple demo video to show you how to install SQL Server and set up the whole system. So we'll just go to Google and let's try to search for SQL Server installation, right? So we are going to first install SQL Server. As you can see, there are a couple of options. SQL Server on Azure. Azure is a cloud service provided by Microsoft. SQL Service is a SQL database engine that Microsoft has built. Similarly, on edge devices, I mean IoT-based devices, small devices, this thing can be used then on premises. But for us, what exactly we need is we just need free specialized edition. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead with the developer one as we are developers. So yeah, let's go ahead with the developer edition. Just click on this download now button and it should start downloading. Yeah, so now we have downloaded the SQL Server. Let's try to install it. Just click on yes. It will take a few seconds. Yeah, so now it should start installation thing. You can just go ahead with the basic installation with the all default options. Now click on accept. You can change the installation location. I'll just go ahead with it. And yeah, now it will start downloading the installation package files. So it's going to take a bit of time, I think. Uh, so it's almost done, and now it's installing the files. So as you can see, uh, SQL Server has been installed, and now it's showing us the instance name and all. Let's try to keep its screenshot with us so that you can take a screenshot of it in case there will be any such requirement of it. So you can simply save a screenshot. Okay, and now we have SQL Server ready installed on our system. We can try to connect it, and as it's showing that it has we have successfully installed the system. Now you can go ahead and install SSMS. SSMS is SQL Server Management Studio. This is to connect with the SQL Server which we have installed earlier. You can simply go to this and download it, right? Yeah, so now we can see the SSMS installation page. Click on install button. So once the installation gets completed, you can simply search for SSMS and select it. It takes a few seconds to start SSMS in the beginning. So by default, there's a server name that it's showing because I am supposed to log into SQL Server. If it's not showing anything here, just and it's blank, then in that case, just consider typing this desktop name here and just click connect. This will help you to connect to the database engine. And now in the on the left, you can see there's an object explorer. This holds all the database files, whatever we have here by expanding databases and system databases. And this is where we can query. After right clicking, you can simply click new query and you can see the query page. where you can write and execute the queries. So via this SSMS, you can add new databases to our SQL Server, create new databases, query to the server, and perform all the operations. I hope it's clear now. Here you can write the queries and all. So we'll be using SQL Server, and you can continue using SQL Server for executing the SQL queries to have an hands-on experience with it. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand the usage of SQL Server and installation part. So if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you faced any kind of difficulty while installation, just do comment to the video. We'll try to help you out, guys.